Today we will be repairing the two broken mounting tabs on this 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLC right side LED headlight. So I have here the OEM repair kit. So here you can see the part number for the right side headlight. And I want to point out that it only includes two tabs in this kit. It includes the top one and the bottom mounting tab. So I'll show you here. It does not include this top tab or the side mounting tab. It only includes the other two. I'm not sure why they chose to do that, but that's the way it is. So you cannot get this or this one in a repair kit from Mercedes. So let me show you here. Spin this around. So here is the part number for the headlight that we are repairing today. And these are going to just simply mount on with the provided T-20 Torx screws. Let me get it. Okay. Kind of zoom in a little bit here. So here I'm just going to take my screwdriver, get my replacement tab, take the screw, and this one's going to have 3 screws. So we'll put that first one in, we'll drive in the bottom one. Okay, and then we'll drive the third one in. So just show you, I mean, this thing's strong. It's gonna hold this together. So now, let me get you a better view here. So here we're going to be repairing this bottom tab, and this one's flat. If you can see here, there's a couple of notches on each side. So here, this little plastic piece, we want to align our notch with that, and it's just going to sit right on here. So we'll grab our first screw and just grab our screwdriver and run it in. So again, that one's in. Grab our second screw and go ahead and run that one in. Okay, and there we go. Nice and strong. That's going to hold that in there and be sufficient to replace it. So that's how you install this repair kit on this particular GLC headlight.